guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Krachova. I'm an investment advisor and I communicate a lot with extremely rich people. And now I have some free time because I'm going to event and I'm in a taxi, and I decided not to waste time and make a useful video about energy and motivation. So people very often make decisions and start living not paying too much attention how they influence their life. And the key signal how you can understand that you made wrong decision in your life, or you do something not very suitable for you, is that you don't have energy at all. I know about what I'm talking about because there were some periods of time when I sat at home. I didn't work so much, but I already feel like at the low bottom. So it can sound strange, but even when I go from the bed, I felt that I'm tired. Even in days that were not so fulfilled of like job exercises and something like that. So I remember even some time when this last more than 1 week, and you should understand that sometimes it can be only tiredness that you feel after stress and something like that. And I thought about this firstly, but then when the time go and I understood that maybe it is not because of this, I came to the conclusion that it is the signal of that I do something not correct in my life, that I play some role and I made not right decisions previously. And so sometimes people cannot understand why they feel so less energy, and they can think about procrastination, that they are lazy, but the reality is more clear. So the reason can be because your profession doesn't suit you, or you communicate with a person on a regular basis that is harmful for you, for your health. And for example, like some relationships with potential husband or friends can influence our feelings and how we think about this life. And so I decided to make this video to highlight that sometimes the most right signal why you don't have energy and you are always tired is because you go not the right way. You try to achieve goals that are not in reality yours, and maybe it is not your inner wishes even. So sometimes society tells us how to live, and we can really think that it is our decisions, but in reality it can be only like fantasy and our mind, only our thoughts. But always body doesn't lie. So we can lie to us using our brains, but what body will not lie us at all. And that is why if you feel now that you are in the same situation as I was previously, I can highly recommend you to think that maybe you can change something in your life life, and maybe don't continue communication with people who led to such illnesses. And of course, it is not easy. I understand this, because you have some needs that you try to fulfill because of these people, and you don't have other people, so you don't want to be alone. For example, you have a lot of so you can be afraid of something, and that is why you decide to continue living life that is not the best one. And at the moment, it is very, very difficult to change something and to start living otherwise. But if we talk about my personal experience, when you take yourself in the hands and choose to do even small steps changing your behavior, it leads to essential results. So of course it is really, really difficult to change all your life like this, but when you do everything not like at the one moment, when you give yourself time and start from small steps that can improve your life, you will see small results, and then it would be easier for you to make other decisions. And actually, when I started living otherwise, I got other results in my life, and very often I was in shock that, oh, it works like this, it can work like this. And when you feel positive feedback, then it is much easier for you to continue changing your life and doing it better. But you should understand that sometimes there is one core or only several core things why you feel like awful, and you shouldn't change again everything at once. But actually, if you change something that is not in reality the problem, you can feel good results, and it can help you to make other decisions more easier. But you should understand that you will not feel procrastination, you will not feel the decrease of energy only in the situation when you abandon the core aspects that are negative for you, for your physical and mental health. So start from small steps, and you will see results, and they will motivate you to change something more difficult. And sometimes you should let people, situations, and other aspects go away from your life. And when you in Russian it is called отпустить, you will feel that you are another kind of person. You will have actually another kind of energy, and you will not regret. So I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye bye.